it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm going to give you guys a technical overview on the Nordica America wood cook stove. So I'm going to show you inside the stove. I'm going to take it apart, take a side panel off so you can see more of the construction of the stove, how it's built, show you the cooktop, inside the firebox, inside the oven. So yeah. Okay, this is the America, the Nordica America with the cooktop completely removed. I do have the cooking grate in there. These are those ceramic side panels that I was talking about. You can see the cast iron panels in the rear. This is going to be your flue damper control, located right here, so you can see what that looks like. And above, this is your middle knob control on the front of the stove. The back air space above the oven. This is a cast iron panel directly above the oven. Outer is going to be stainless steel. On the side wall there is going to be another cast iron panel as well. Cooktop is fully gasketed to keep it nice and airtight. This is the America Nordica Cookstove with the side panel removed. So this just kind of shows you the construction. This is a heavy stove and there's a lot of cast iron components, but the body of the stove is going to be sheet metal. So this is the side with the panel taken off, sheet metal body. It does come with a bracket that'll mount to the side to attach your side panel. Looking at the rear of the stove, it is a top or a rear vent on the America. It does have a nice heat shield built into it, but you do still need to adhere to the US clearances, which may be different than the European clearances, so keep that in mind. This is what your tag looks like. So currently, these stoves are not UL listed, but they are listed for European standards. Firebox door is gonna be gasketed. The America, I believe, is a triple pane glass. So you got a lot of different gaskets. You got your like greenish one up top, your different like more solid gasket here, and your rope gasket in between the glass here. This tool that you find inside the ash pan, this is actually, you can open this, and this is how you would lift up and release your grate inside the firebox. So your ash pan, this is a pretty nice, decent size ash pan for easy ash removal. Yep, and that's how that connects. Just like that. Below the ash pan, you do have a pan style drawer. So you have two separate drawers located on the America stove, one right on the firebox and one on the oven. So I do like the removable ring option. So here's your little tool. You lift out the first one, and then you do have access inside. This is directly above the oven, and then you can pull basically one additional ring at a time out. This is your middle cook plate on the America. So your second knob down opens and closes this area. So when this is blocked off, you're not going to get the heat circulating below the oven as well as when it's open. So the flue collar does come with a gasket that comes in your little hardware baggie. And it is important to attach the gasket to the flue collar before securing it to the stove. I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful, that you learn something. If you do enjoy our videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like our videos. Share them with your friends, spread them like wildfire on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.